Good morning, children. How are you today? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Bansri ma'am and today I am going to teach you general awareness subject. Kids, do you know what you are going to learn today? Today you are going to learn something which you all like to do the most. Now tell me, what do you like to do the most? I know you all like to play different games, right? मुझे पता है आप सबको games खेलना बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना? But you all are missing that fun, right? So today we are going to learn something about different games. Children, there are two types of games, outdoor games and indoor games. The games which you play outside in the garden or ground that are known as outdoor games, and the games which we play inside our house with our family members and friends that are known as indoor games. Kids, it is very necessary to play different games because playing different games makes us physically and mentally strong and it gives us happiness, right? So today I will briefly explain to you about indoor games. बच्चों, जो गेम्स हम हमारे घर में हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ या हमारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेल सकते हैं वो सारी गेम्स को इंडोर गेम्स कहते हैं. Indoor games are the games which you can play at your home with your family members or friends. And indoor games keeps us mentally fit and also it keeps our mind fresh. और आपको पता है डिफरेंट गेम्स के डिफरेंट रूल्स होते हैं और वो खेलने के लिए हमको वो सारे रूल्स जानने बहुत ज़रूरी है. और सारी गेम में नंबर ऑफ प्लेयर्स भी अलग अलग होते हैं. कोई गेम्स ऐसी होती है जिसमें सिर्फ 2 जन खेल सकते हैं और कोई गेम्स ऐसी होती है जिसमें 2 से ज़्यादा लोग भी खेल सकते हैं. और आपको हमेशा याद रखना है कि अगर हम हार जाते हैं तो हमको रोना नहीं है, हमको वो गेम अच्छे से खेलनी है ताकि हम वो जीत सके. नाउ लेट अस सी some examples of indoor games. Kids, we will learn some indoor games from our workbook page. Now let us see which indoor game kids are playing in the first picture. In the first picture, kids are playing with puzzles. Do you know there are many types of puzzles? These are wooden puzzles. This is a jigsaw puzzle. And this is a maze puzzle. Now see, here kids are playing a board game. Now tell me, which board game is this? This is a chess. This is a chess board. And do you know, to play chess we need 2 players. One player plays with white pieces and another player plays with black pieces. Now let us see what are kids playing in this picture. Kids are playing with blocks. See, these are blocks. Using these blocks you can make different objects, like you can make tower. See, I am making a tower. You can make pyramid and you can make a building. Kids, these are also different blocks. Using this you can make so many objects by joining them. Kids, do you know which indoor game kids are playing in this picture? Kids are playing carom. See, this is a carom board, and to play carom we need 2 to 4 players. Now let's see with what kids are playing in this picture.
Can anybody tell me? Here, kids are playing with their toys. And see, they both are sharing their toys. So, kids, always share your toys with your friends and siblings. Now, let us see some toys. Tell me, which toy is this? This is a remote car. Now, tell me, which toy is this? Yes, this is a softball. And who likes to play with car and softball? All the boys like to play with it, right? Now let's see some more examples of toys. This is a Barbie doll, this is a soft doll, and this is a teddy bear. Who likes to play with Barbie doll and teddy bear? All the little girls like to play with Barbie doll and teddy bear, right? Now let's see what are kids playing in this picture. Do you know, kids? This is a Ludo game and this is a Ludo board. And to play Ludo game, we need 4 players. 1, 2, 3, 4. To play Ludo, we need tokens and a dice. Now tell me, which game kids are playing in this picture? Kids are playing snakes and ladders. To play snakes and ladders, we need a snakes and ladders board game.
Children, now I am giving you a worksheet for your practice work related to indoor games.
In this worksheet, you have to match the games which the children are playing with their appropriate object. आप देख सकते हो कि एक साइड बच्चे कुछ गेम्स खेल रहे हैं और दूसरी साइड वो गेम्स खेलने के लिए हमको जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स चाहिए वो है। तो हमको क्या करना है, जो बच्चे गेम्स खेल रहे हैं वो गेम के लिए जो ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए उसके साथ वह पिक्चर को मैच करना है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Now let's see what are kids playing in the first picture. In the first picture, kids are playing with puzzles. So from another side, we will find out puzzle. Is it a puzzle? No, it is a carom board. Now let's see the next picture. Is it a puzzle? Yes, it is a box of puzzles. So we will match first picture with it. So kids, this way you will complete your worksheet. Okay.
Okay children, tomorrow we will meet again and revise this concept. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Keep playing. Keep smiling.